Now let me explain the details. After the embracing the cosmos opening, transition into the single change palm. For the single change palm, the right hand is in front and the left hand is behind. The front hand is like a scale beam, the back hand like a weight. Gaze at your tiger's mouth. Keep the tiger's mouth stretched open, with the thumb and middle finger pushing upward. Wrap the fingers inward, hollow the palm, and keep your eyes on the tiger's mouth. Drop the rear hand. This is the palm and footwork. Distinguish between solid and empty. Sink into a squat. After sitting, extend the right leg. Land on the toes first to form scissor legs.